Do not run any ads to your Shopify store until you install these 5 apps. In this video, we'll be talking about the top 5 Shopify apps that you should be using in 2024. Now, these are all essential. I'm going to start with the free apps and move into the paid apps. Even though they're paid, you can easily make your money back. And stick around till the end because I'll be including an essential software for those of you who are running social media or Google Ads. Number 1, we have Bucks. It's a currency conversion app and it's free. It automatically converts your store's prices into the customer's local currency. So if your store's currency is in USD and someone from Europe lands on your website, this app will change all the prices from USD to euros. This will let the customer know how much the item is worth in their currency. There's also a function where it can round the decimal points as well. So imagine you have an item on your website that's $34.99. It converts to euros and it displays 31.47 as an example in euros. This feature will change the 47 into a 99 and it'll just display nicer for your customer. And just a heads up, when you do install it, be sure to toggle on the instant loader, which will allow for instant currency conversions. Next up, we have Shopify email. It is also free. You can set up 2 different flows. One will be for abandoned checkout and the other one will be a welcome flow. When you send out the abandoned checkout emails, you're going to be reminding customers that they did not complete their checkout. You're going to be including discounts and you're going to be capturing no sales. The welcome flow will be sent after they place their order. You're essentially just saying thank you and here's a discount on any future purchase. I'd say about 7% of your revenue should come just from these emails. The next app is DSers. It's a great app for fulfilling your AliExpress orders. This app saves a lot of time because you don't need to copy and paste all of the customer's information and put it into AliExpress. This app just kind of pre-fills everything for you. And you can also place orders in bulk. You don't have to place these orders one by one. Also, as the AliExpress supplier ships out the package, Shopify will get updated and the customer will get an email with their tracking number. Now we go into the paid apps, and this is going to be one of my favorite apps just because of the amount of money that I made on it. UpCart is basically a redesigned cart with upsells, add-ons, and rewards for your customers. One of my favorite features on UpCart is the shipping protection. You're basically giving the customer an option to purchase insurance for their package. Whether it be lost, damaged, or stolen, you're going to have to reship their order. However, we've seen the amount of profits that you're making from the shipping protection to heavily outweigh any sort of reshipments that you need to make. Another essential money hack is an app called ReConvert. ReConvert is a post-purchase upsell app. So once the customer places an order, we hit them with another offer to buy the same item at a discounted rate. And you would be surprised how many people take this. If you don't have a post-purchase upsell on your store, you are missing out on a lot of sales. You already spent money to acquire this customer. They're already on your store. They already purchased something. Try to get that second sale. We generally just offer the most expensive product that they purchased at a 15% discount. And if they say no, we offer them a 30% discount. Now let's dive into the software that you need. If you've ran ads on Facebook recently, you know how bad the tracking is. Facebook will track anywhere between 50 and 70% of your data. Add to cart data is incorrect half the time. Purchases are attributed to the wrong ad sets. Fake purchases coming in that are for obnoxious amounts and messing up all your data. And this is where Triplewell comes in. There's a lot to unpack with Triplewell. It's a very advanced software, but I'm just going to review the things that you need to know. Now, we've tested 5 different softwares that can help with Facebook tracking, and this was the best one. Here's why. First, price. This is the best bang for the buck. Anything that is considered competition for Triplewell is either more expensive or a lot more expensive. Second is the tracking accuracy. It's the same, if not better, than the most expensive softwares out there. Third, you can adjust your ad budgets and turn your ads on and off. Fourth, they have a mobile app, so you can manage your ads on the go. 5, the data is live, so this helps with quick scaling decisions. And 6, there's a built-in calculator, so you don't need another app to count your numbers. Now, something to note, this is the most expensive software on today's list, but it is the most essential one. Imagine running Facebook ads and turning ads off that got you sales. just because Facebook didn't show you any data on that ad. But also imagine letting ads run that didn't even get sales, just because Facebook attributed sales to the wrong ad or reported fake purchases. You are literally flying blind without any third-party tracking software. I'll leave details below on how you can even get a discount on Triplewell. We just can't have these coupon codes floating around on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. My name is Alex Gelfand, and I'll see you guys in the next video.